Next, it's the awaiting moment of this function. It's the prize distribution ceremony. Champions are made when potentials are converted into performance. Work hard in silence. Let success be a voice. Excellence is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. Yes, now it's the time to recognize the alumni of our school who have made an outstanding contribution to the school. May I request our dignified and respected chief guest, Mr. Kavidasan sir, to honor the toppers for the year 2022 to 2023 with a prize and a certificate. The first prize, it's the toppers, R. Priyadarshini of 12th Science. 12th Science, R. Priyadarshini, she had scored the topper. V. Vaishnavi of 12th Arts. V. Vaishnavi of 12th Arts. Next for 11th standard, V. Nityashri. R. Priyadarshini of 12th Science. Of 12th Arts, V. Vaishnavi. For 11th Science, next for 11th Science, V. Nityashri. And the next category of 10th standard, T. Saranya. T. Saranya of 10th standard. Next is the category of Centum students, R. Priyadarshini of 12th for the subject Chemistry. M. Haripriya of 12th for the subject Botany. J. N. Pranesh of 12th for Computer Science. R. Priyadarshini of 12th for Computer Science. V. Nityashri of 11th for Zoology. R. Priyadarshini of 12th for Computer Science. V. Nityashri of 11th for Zoology. Next comes the category of 10th standard, C. Deepak. He had scored Centum in the subject Maths. Yes, Vasantamani of 10th standard, she had scored Yes. Yes, Vasantamani of 10th standard, she had scored Centum in the subject Maths. N. Bharat Kumar of 12th standard for the subject Accountancy. Next category, it is the proficiency for the year 2022 to 2003. LKGA Vakshana P. The proficiency student for the class LKGA Vakshana. Dear audience, please cheer up the students, the prize winners with a great round of applause. For LKGB, Ritanya Shri. Anbarasu of LKGC. Anbarasu of LKGC. UKGA Ten Tamil. Ten Tamil of UKGA. Tanvida Shri of UKGB, Varun Krithwik of UKGC, S. Nimalan of First A, P. Akshara of First B. Mitra MK of First C. Atulya Harija Nayak of Second A. Atulya Harija Nayak of Second A. Magalmadi of Second B. Rubashri Rubes of Second C. Rubes of Second C. Dear audience, cheer up. Give a big round of applause.
கரவொலி எழுப்பி மாணவர்களை உற்சாகப்படுத்துமாறு அன்புடன் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம்.
Next for the standard third, Jai Shri M. Purvi RM of third B. Harshita J of 4th A. S. Puvini of 4B. S. Subhashri of 5th A. Ajay Kant of 5th B. K. Harini of 5th C. K. Harini of 5th C. Next for 6th standard, Hanshika J of 6A. Harshini S of 6B. Ritvik of 6th C. Subhakarini P of 7A. BP Tamil of 7B. D. Madhumita of 7C. Saranya P of 8B. S. Ridhanya of 8A. Varnika Shri of 9th A. R. Deepika Shri of 9B. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, I request our Honorable Correspondent, sir, to honor the 100% attendance for the year 2022 to 2023 with a memorable certificate and prize. The first category for 3rd Standard A, Miduniya M. She had scored the 100% attendance. Miduniya M of 3rd A. P. Kavya Shri of 5A. P. Kavya Shri of 5A. P. Deepika of 5B. M. Hari Prashant of 8A. T. Jayashri of 9B. S. Jeevika of 10B. S. Sangavi of 10B. Thank you, sir. I kindly invite our Honorable Mrs. Indrani ma'am to honor the prize winners. Next category, it is the cultural competitions. For LKG, handwriting, first place goes to S.R. Ritika of LKG. S.R. Ritika of LKG. A certificate and a gift will be provided. S.R. Ritika of LKG. Third place goes to K. Sastigan of LKGC. Next is the category coloring. For first standard, K. Pranati of LKG. The first place goes to K. Pranati. The second place goes to Pon Monica of LKG. G. Pon Monica of LKGA. The third place goes to S. Sanvika of LKGA and M. Darshan of LKGC. Third place goes to S. Sanvika of LKGA and M. Darshan of LKGC. M. Darshan of LKGC. Next is the category rhymes telling. Rhymes telling. The first place goes to K. Pranati of LKGA. K. Pranati of LKGA. The second place goes to S. Ritika of LKGC. The third place goes to S.N. Arudra of LKGA and S. Varun of LKGC. S.N. Arudra and S. Varun of LKGC. Next for UKG, rhymes telling, the first place goes to S. Ratiksha of UKGA. Ratisha of UKGA. Second place goes to S. Ruthren of UKGB and M. Mega of UKGB. S. Ruthren, M. Mega of UKGB. And the third place goes to VB Sagitya of UKGA. VB Sagitya of UKGA. Next, coloring. First place goes to Vinashree of UKGC. Second prize goes to VK Nadin of UKGC. VK Nadin of UKGC. And the third place goes to S. Ridhanya Shri of UKGB. The next category is clay. The first prize goes to M. Mega of UKGB. M. Mega. The second prize goes to P. Kaviyalini of UKGB. And the third place goes to J.P. Yadav of UKGB and S. Ridhanya Shri of UKGB. J.P. Yadav and S. Ridhanya Shri of UKGB. S. Ridhanya Shri of UKGB. Next, the best handwriting in English, first standard, Danvita Shri of first B had scored the first prize. Danvita Shri of first B. The second place goes to Tain Tamil of first A. Third place goes to S.M. Sudashri and M.K. Nihashri of first C. Next category is drawing. The first place goes to S.M. Mughal. S.M. Mughal of first B. Second place goes to S.M. Mughal of first B. Second place goes to S. Ashwita of first B. And the third place S. Ashwita. And the third place goes to S.G. Nitishri of first C. Next it's the Bharatidasan song. The first prize goes to S.M. Sudashri of first B. The second place goes to A.R. Amaldini of first B. S.M. Sudashri. The second place goes to A.R. Amaldini of first B. And the third place goes to G. Maganyashri of first A and H. Shrutvik of first A. Shrutvik of first A. Next is the best handwriting for second standard. First prize goes to P. Akshara of second B. Second place goes to R. Sivarudra of second C. And the third place goes to P. Anugraha of second A. Drawing. First place goes to S. Pranati of second A. Second prize goes to S. Kavinsha Shri of second B. And the third place goes to R. Ilamita of second A. Next, it's the pen assembling competition. The first prize goes to S. Pranati of 2nd A. S. Pranati of 2nd A. And again the first prize goes to V. Vikash of 2nd C. V. Vikash of 2nd C. Second place goes to P. Akshara of 2nd B. And the third place goes to J. K. Shatvik of 2nd C. The next category it is drawing. For 3rd standard, the first prize goes to M. Magalmadi of 3rd B. And the second place goes to the second place goes to M. Kayal of 3rd B. And the third place goes to G. Dharnesh of 3rd C. M. Magalmadi, M. Kayal, G. Dharnesh of 3rd standard. They have won the first, second and third for drawing competition. Next, it's the Tirukural competition. The first prize goes to Atulya Harija Naik of 3rd A. The second goes to P. Swara of 3rd B. And the third prize goes to R. Akhilesh of 3rd C. Thank you, sir.